Hey everybody, it's Dino with the Creativity Cave, and guess what? Today starts the Online Extravaganza. It's kind of our Black Friday special, but it's a week early this week, and we're so excited about it. We've got some things that pretty much never ever go on sale in this special, so I'm really excited. There is cardstock and ink pads in the neutrals, regals, in colors for both years except Purple Posy, because of course that pad is no longer. All of that is 15% off, which is amazing. And then there's 8 bundles, and that's what I'm going to show you today, that are all have an additional discount on top of the bundle discount. So I'm like really excited about this, and they're great bundles. So I've got a whole bunch of cards to share with you for each set. So let's start. The first one is called the Parcels and Petals bundle. This is a really pretty set. It's got fabulous sentiments in it, and even better, it has a die that creates a really cool box along with some cool labels and a tag and some other little accent pieces. So I really like this one. Let me show you some cards with it. This is probably one of the favorite cards I've actually made out of this new catalog this year. So here is this card. I love this one. And look at this cool piece as part of those dies. It's really, I'll show it to you because it's the die. There's so many dies there on 2 sheets. So isn't that cool? And those labels are really pretty too. I like them. All right. So there's one card with that set. Here is another beautiful card. I really like this cool piece right there. And here's another card. This is just using the sentiment, but then strips of cardstock on top and bottom, which I think are really cool. Okay, so there's that set. The next set is the Path of Petals. And this is a really cool set. And this is another one that has wonderful sentiments. But then it also has these cool dies. There's 3 pieces in the die set, and they make stunning cards, which, by the way, we're going to have this as one of my online classes coming up. It's in the queue. So let me show you a few cards with that. Of course, it's got the beautiful DSP and washi tape that's part of the suite. Oh, the sentiments are just so awesome from this set, though. I really, really like them. Such easy, beautiful cards. Here's another really pretty one with the flowers on here. Oh, I love them. Excuse me. All right. Free as a bird. This is actually going to be a class next month. So, just saying, if you order my Creativity to Go classes, you should definitely get the stamp set because it's going to be our Creativity to Go for December. But look at the beautiful cards you can make with this set. I'm not even a bird person, and I like it. True story. Look at this beautiful card. The DSP that goes with this bundle is stunning. Here's another really cool card. Look at this. This one you might notice in the background is some of the images stamped with some shimmer paint. So pretty. It's really a great, great stamp set. I actually have more samples than I am showing in all of these, but I have a ton in this set. Oh, here's some more. This has been one of the most popular stamp sets in the new catalog too. So, oh look, there's still a couple more. One more. And then this one has some of the flowers on there. So a really, really great set. I have to tell you, though, this one's my favorite. All right. Next up is another set that I just love. And I have an online class for this one, too. It's called Dino Days. It's just so dang cute. Now, I have to tell you guys, my kids are so beyond this. But I love this set. And I've sent cards to people with this set who are adults. I really like this. Thanks for being a friendosaurus. What adult wouldn't think that's kind of cute? I mean, seriously. This is a card I've sent to several of my friends. Here's another really cute card. The printed paper on this is so fun. You're rarsome. It just makes me giggle and it makes me happy. And I think people will just love this. Look at how cute these cards are. So like I said, I've got a really fun online class featuring this stamp set, this bundle. So if you don't have that yet, you definitely want to pick it up. By the way, I'll put links to all of this stuff in my in the description of my video. Memorable Mosaic is another stamp set that I've actually featured in my new catalog class, and I really like this set. I'll be honest, it wasn't my favorite at first, but it's really grown on me, and we made some really cool cards with this in my class. But here's just a few. So we've got that beautiful willow tree. Now this coordinates with this punch, the Timeless Label Punch, which is a punch I've used a ton. Of course, it coordinates with this piece and this piece, but you can do a lot with it. It goes with lots of other images as well. So much fun. And now the paper is amazing. There's little shiny portions on the printed paper. It's just so cool. Here's another one with that tree. Isn't this awesome? Okay. Next up is probably my favorite, well, my second favorite. Oh my gosh, it's so hard to pick. It's like your kids, you can't. Banded together, this is a really cool bundle. Again, the sentiments that come in it are really great. It's got this beautiful floral image and an extra little leaf. The dies are not in here. But I'll show you because I have examples of it. Oh, because I've been using them. We used this set in my retreat a few weeks ago for a whole set of cards. But these are so pretty. So let me just show you a few. Look at that. That is one of the dies right there. Isn't that just gorgeous? Here is another card. So pretty. This was actually sent to me by... Who was this? This was a friend of mine. Oh, one of my downline, Beth Ann. She made that beautiful card. Look at that, you guys. Oh my gosh. It's just so pretty. And these cut really nicely. They're just stunning. Look at the shimmer. I don't know if you can see the shimmer in this. It's really, yeah. So beautiful. So easy to work with and so beautiful. That's what I love about this. So this was probably one of the first things that I got out of the new catalog. So I love it. Okay. The next is Bloom and Grow. And you know what's really funny is I have cards with this somewhere. I can't find them. But this is a beautiful stamp set. I used it on a really gorgeous card. Actually, what did I do with that? I wonder if I'm sure all my cards are somewhere together. I'm really mad I cannot find them. But I love this. These are like poppies, these beautiful flowers. They work great with blends. They're also really pretty with watercoloring or just on their own. So really pretty stamp set. Again, some fun sentiments. And what I like is they're bigger. So like this is shrunk down. These are actually bigger in real life. You can see, actually, I have mine mounted because I'm working on a card right now with this stamp set. So a really cool set. And then the dies cut all these pieces out, which is so cool. So I really like this one. This is one I know I'm going to feature a lot come spring. So I really like that. And then that means we've come to our final and my favorite stamp set, which is To a Wild Rose. So these cards are just gorgeous. Look at this card. My downline Karen gave this to me over the weekend at On Stage, and look at how pretty this is. And she made this background with linen thread. It's like woven. It's gorgeous. So pretty. So really a beautiful stamp set. Everything I've made from this set I've just loved. And by the way, I have 2 more cards, and this is really funny. I was looking for them, and they are right above me, like standing out to show. So this is my, this is from my Dino days. And then this one is To a Wild Rose. So pretty. I love this. Love this bundle. It's just gorgeous. So let me show you some more of these. Look at that. True Friendship is one. Well, this one has really great sentiments too. It's the one that has blessed and grateful, blessed to know you, blessed to be your friend. So I love the words in this set. And this is one, too, that I've featured in a class as well. So again, I'll put all the links to those classes in the description of my video. Now, don't forget, if you purchase anything from my online store, you're going to get a free gift from me, and I've got all kinds of fabulous goodies. There's going to be some from the annual catalog, some from the occasions catalog, but I've got all kinds of goodies to give away for you. So the more you spend, the more you get. Just saying. Look at all of that. So pretty. Now, this is a really, 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 really cool card that my friend Jenna made me. Are you ready? Are you prepared? Are you prepared for this? Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh. This is one of those pop and twist cards. I've done a tutorial on this before, but isn't this awesome? So I hope you have loved the projects I've shown you. I hope they've inspired you. I hope you're ready to stock up on your cardstock. I'm totally going to. I hope you are stocking up on your stamps and you are ready to get some great deals with the Online Extravaganza. Of course, when you shop my online store and use my host code, and all that is going to be in the description of this video, you will get a fabulous gift from me just for being my customer. Thank you guys so much for stamping with me today. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.